Welcome to another video. Today we are here to tell you the main stages to follow while writing any content. Let's get started. Writing content that's unique might be a difficult task. But these following steps will help you create well-structured content pieces. Planning is the very first step to write any content. You should have an idea about the structure of the content you want to create. Planning is the way to create that structure. Planning is the best way to organize your thoughts and create a blueprint for your content. After planning, the next way is to create a draft of your content. This is a rough copy of what your content looks like. Drafting is important to get a clarity about your content and develop your piece. The next step is to redraft your content. This step helps you to filter your content and make changes to it. You can add or delete parts of your content accordingly and make a refined copy. Editing is the final and the most important step for any type of content creation. This step helps you recheck your content and focus on the details. Editing gives you a chance to correct your errors and polish your content piece. By following these stages, you can develop an organized way of writing and overcome all the obstacles in the process of it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button and comment down your feedback. For more information, visit our website.